needed for during the course of the contract. So we come to the coordinator and take the latest issues or problems or needs for the IT to take care of during this visit. Once he gives us like this printer is not printing, or there is no internet on this computer, or there is some issue with another computer. So we go and solve these recent problems. Then we go to computer number 1 and start our preventive maintenance work. In this preventive maintenance, we do physical checkup, physical cleaning, and we do then start up the system, and through our CD tool from Computer Troubleshooters, we start troubleshooting the system. We do a full diagnostic of the hard disk to check the health of the hard disk, if it has